For over 50 years, Russ Morash has worked behind the scenes to produce some of the most iconic and enduring programs on television. Almost single-handedly, he created How To Television. Russ joined the staff of a fledgling WGBH in 1957. He immediately put his theater degree to work directing on-air talent.
Ruth Ann's Camp is now open for all good campers.
Hi there, boys and girls. How are you today?
Maintenant, nous, allons dans le magasin.
Hello, I'm John Fitch, MIT science reporter.
Tonight, from Boston, in color, The Advocates.
In 1963, he began working with a little-known cookbook author. Her name was Julia Child.
I've been rooting around in my icebox and look what I found.
From a makeshift studio in Boston, they created The French Chef. Under his direction, Julia took her first steps into the brave new world of How To Television and into a partnership that would last for 30 years.
We're having 4 vegetarians for dinner tonight. I mean, we're not going to eat them, but I have to make a vegetarian dinner.
In 1975, Russ turned a forgotten corner of the WGBH parking lot into a lush garden.
Crockett's Victory Garden.
And opened up the world of backyard gardening to both experts and novices.
Hello, I'm Russ Morash for Crockett's Victory Garden.
By 1979, Russ had turned his attention to home renovation.
Hello, I'm Bob Vila. The purpose of our series is to show you the many steps involved in taking an old house that's fallen on really hard times and saving it, turning it back into a home that a family can be proud of.
This old house started a TV revolution. For 35 years and almost 900 episodes, it's made stars out of its team of contractors and craftsmen and inspired an entire nation to have the confidence to do it themselves.
Nice and easy, everybody together. Oh, yeah!
In 1989, Russ tapped a handsome young carpenter to be the star of another how-to gem.
Hi, I'm Norm Abram, and this is the New Yankee Workshop, where for the next...
The New Yankee Workshop continued for 21 seasons, dovetailing clear instruction with a passion for woodworking.
There is no more important safety rule than to wear these, safety glasses.
After almost 30 years in the TV industry, Russ continued to be a game changer. In 2002, he launched Ask This Old House, providing homeowners with the confidence to tackle everyday projects around the home.
I've learned so much today. It's incredible.
As always, it's serious work by master craftsmen.
Danger, Kevin O'Connor, danger.
What is going on here?
I can get anywhere in a matter of seconds.
How'd that work?
All Russ's creations incorporate a simple but revolutionary idea. Clear, authentic, engaging information from the experts themselves. Over 54 years, Russ created a cast of beloved and trusted characters. In the process, he carved his name indelibly into the history of television.